So here it is. Here's my Publix haul, or Publix heist for the week. This is $383.42 worth of goods. It's all said and done after coupons and rebates. I had an overage, a moneymaker of $126.48. And yes, that total does include tax. So some of these deals started August 28th. Today's September 2nd. But I wanted to, put this up there, and because about 70% of these deals you can still do. So I did this over 5 transactions. Of course, they had the $50 Visa gift card, so I was just going over, like $50.10, $52, just going over 10 cents, $50 each time, so I'd get $10 off. It's really $5.05 off because you got to pay a $4.95 activation fee. But as you can see, I did it over 5, and I'd use that gift card to pay for the next gift card. Granted, where I live, there's about 12 Publix within a 15-minute drive of where I live, so I'm fortunate in that aspect. So, I'm saving like $78, $91, $96, $83, $90 each transaction. And wow, so let me get right into it. So, the base of my deal to get up to that 50 was the Tena pads. I mean, this deal was insane this week. So, they're costing $3.39 because they're on sale. Regular price is $5.39. They're costing $3.39 with tax. It comes to $3.68. And if you buy 9 of them, you qualify for a rebate. So what I was doing, and that would buy 9, it would be $33.12. So I'm getting up to that 50. And altogether, I bought, I think, 40 Tena pads in the 5 transactions I had. And yes, no, I didn't buy all of them out. As I said, I went to multiple stores, and pretty much my stores, they'd run out, but they'd have them back or whatever right away. And some of them just had them in stock the whole time. But regardless, I think it was around $147.13 I paid for all these Tena pads, the 40 of them, and I had $262 back. So out of these 40 Tena pads that I bought over the 5 transactions, I had $114.87 moneymaker just on the pads right there. So the reason I wanted to buy 9 is because I would get up to $30, and then I'd have a $10 rebate that is mailed to you. It takes a good bit, about a month and a half for it to come. But I put a link for that reward. It's called Activate Rewards. And they were as I said, they're on sale for $3.39 from $5.39. And there's a $2 off from a store coupon from the Smart Savings booklet. And that's still good, and you can still do this deal. And there's a $4 off from the Smart Source, August 22, $4 off. I would show you that coupon, but I had to use them all. I'm sorry, I have none left. So I used all those coupons, and every one that I had, I got. I'm kind of gathering my coupons myself and everything. I don't have a coupon fairy buying them or whatever. I gather them all myself, so I gathered hard this week, and all the ones I got I used, because you're getting such a big moneymaker, $114 moneymaker when I bought 40 of them. And as I said, that helped me get up to 50. A lot of the times it's $33. You're more than halfway there to the 50, getting that 10 off, and I'm spinning those gift cards around. So other deals, and you can still do this deal to this day, and it's still a moneymaker. It's still a moneymaker. I think the coupon goes to September 5th or 6th, so you got a couple more days on that, and it's still a moneymaker. So you can do that deal still. Let me get into other deals that I got. I got 2 neon zebras. I used 2 accounts. Publix digital coupon on this, $7.99 with tax, $8.67. You get $7.99 back, so you're paying only 68 cents for those neon zebras. And once again, it helps you reach your $50 threshold. Advil Infant. This is a deal you can do all the way up until September 10th. $3 digital coupon, $2 store coupon from the Extra Savings, which goes to September 10th. And you're talking $5.39 with $5 in coupon, 40 cents for that Advil Infant. Once again, it helps you get up to that 50, and you get your $5.05 off. Rockstar energy drinks, right there. These were can do this deal as well. There's a Publix digital coupon for buy one get one free. So you buy two, you spend $2.50 each can. Comes to $5.43 with tax. As I said, the buy one get one free coupon. It only took off $2.29 the digital coupon, but still. And $2 off a two rebate. You can get $2 more off from a rebate, so it cost me 93 cents for both of those. I got the link to the rebate and obviously a detailed breakdown of everything I got below this video. Splenda Alluse, another deal you can keep doing all the way up to September 10th. This is on sale for $6.99, so I bought two of them, $13.98. There's an in-store dispenser right in front of them, $3 off each one. Then you get a Bada, has $2 off. So $13.98, and you're gonna get 10 back in coupons and a Bada. So you're spending $3.98, and once again that $14 helps you add up to that. $5.05 off Airwick. Once again, you can do these. They're regular price, or actually they're on sale till September 10th. Coupon's good till what, the 18th. This is from August 22nd, Smart Source, and it's just for a totally free one. So we're on field for $1.27. If the cashier finds it, it'll take off $1.75, or they look up the price that you paid $1.27. They take $1.27 off, and you're paying the tax. So it's about 11 cents each for those, limited too. Let's keep going. High Chew bars. These are on sale for 89 cents. With tax, they come to 96 cents. And there's a $1 off a one from the 8-1 Smart Source, making them a 4-cent moneymaker. I'd show you that coupon, but I used all my coupons on those. I only got $5 for that date. Excedrin, still do this deal. It's a good deal. It's a $2 digital coupon that you clip, and you got a $2 store coupon from the extra savings, all the way good to September 10th. It's $4.99, so it comes to 99 cents a bottle. I used a couple of different accounts, 3 different accounts I have, and you can get more. Beyond Burger, another deal you can do. It's $5.89 regular price. Aisle has $2 back, and I had $2 off manufacturer printable, $1.89. Planet Oat Creamers, these are $3.99, and you have Publix digital coupon for completely free. Takes $3.99 off. Once again, that $3.99 helps me reach my 50. Mush, this deal is a dead deal. So these were BOGO. I mean, you still do it, but it won't be as good of a deal. Mush, these were BOGO for $2.29. I actually got 2 of them. I ate one. 50 cents from Bada, 50 cents from Aisle. So when I bought 2 of them at BOGO, I got $2 back. Cost me 29 cents for 2 of them, 15 cents each. The Kitu Super coffee. These were $2.99 last week BOGO. So it's kind of a dead deal. You still do the deal. It's still a great deal, 99 cents for each of these. But when I did it last week, they were BOGO. So I had buying these 4 cost me $5.98. I got $8 back from Aisle, so I paid $2.02 overage. I had a $2.02 overage. The yoplay, these were BOGO as well. So I bought 4. They cost me $5.38. There's $1.50 off of 2 from Smart Source, $7.25 I believe, and 75 cents each box from Bada. 62 cents overage on that. A couple more little digital coupon freebies I had that I don't think are good anymore, but took advantage of those. That was $1.99 with $1.99 with a free digital coupon. Same thing with the Okios. Johnson's was my final one. Also, these were still can do this deal. It's a $3 off of 2 store coupon in-store dispenser, and then there was a $2 off of 1. I got it on the last day, August 28th, and a $1 off of 1. So these cost me $8.44, and had $3 off of 2. I paid $2.44 for those. And these helped me reach my $30 threshold for the Tenas. One of the times I think I only got 7 in store, but I slapped this on so I could get another $10 off. Last thing was a Live Clean. Another good one last week was BOGO, $3.99 with tax for 2 of them. Came to, they came for more than $7.98. Came to around, maybe $8.66, and I had $6 back, so it cost me $2.66 for all those. So great deal on those. Once again, everything helped me reach that $50 threshold, and I just kept spinning these Visa gift cards, and that's what I had to do. I mean, when the deal is this good, you're on something with like you're getting like $30 moneymaker on, and that's like a base right there to reach your 50, getting another 10 off, or sorry, 505 off. You know, you really got to just go to work. So that's what I did this past week, and getting this up a little later because I mean I did it over 5 transactions, so it wasn't like a one-time thing. But as I said, you can still do this. About 70% of these deals, you know, and you'll still have money makers. So yeah, very important to get that $50 off. So once again, you know, please subscribe to my channel. Trying to work it up, trying to do get you guys these deals right away, and yeah, enjoy.